Suportado ng House Committee on Appropriations ang bill na nag-aamyenda sa charter ng People's Television Network. Tiniyak ito ni na Committee Vice Chair Dakila Cua, Co-Chairman Mel Senen Sarmiento at maging na minorya na pinamumunuan ni Congressman Rodolfo Albano. Ayon kay Communications Secretary Hermino Coloma, ang suporta ng Kongreso ay mapapabilis sa rehabilitation ng People's Television upang lalong makapaglingkod ito sa publiko. Inihayag naman ni Undersecretary George Ciliaco na ang paninimulang reformang ipinatupad ng PTV nitong nakaraang buwan ay nagbibigay ng panibagong imahe sa stasyon.
We hope that we can secure the support of as many members of this chamber and of the Senate so that we can move forward and have an appropriation for 2013. Right now po ay wala pong appropriation yung PTV. We have been getting funds from various government sources pero hindi po talaga sapat. Kailangan po yung full capitalization so that we can get on with the modernization.
Inayos po namin talaga yung studio with the very limited money that we had. Look at the faces, sir, na nakita nyo ngayon sa PTV. How we were able to bring them in. It starts from there, no? But what's more important to us is that kayo po dito sa Kongreso, that you know that we're taking it in that direction, na i-integrate po namin. And you can use these things for telling the country of what you've done. At para ma-upload din namin yung ginagawa yung tama sa baba, sa taas, para makopya din ng ibang LGUs.